I know y'all heard the ASMR, so let's get into this waxing video. Of course, by the title and what you can see, we are doing a lower leg today, and of course I'm using my Sexy Smooth. I went ahead and just mixed like 4 of their waxes together per usual, just to see what color I would get. I got this reddish purplish metallic color going on, very pretty, very shimmery, and we're just going to work. Dry time is super fast. This video is sped up, of course, but I did not cut anything out when I touched that wax right there. I just wanted to see if it was completely dry, and it was. At one point, this used to not be my favorite service, like a service that I would dread when I would see it in school or just getting it booked, because I figured that it just wasn't for me. But overall, over time, I've learned that it was my technique. Now, you will see that some of the strips are difficult to take off. Either they cracked or they weren't dry enough, and that was basically on me, either leaving it on a few seconds too long or not leaving it on long enough. The wax will soak up the legs will soak up a lot of moisture in the wax. So I'm learning that I have to move a little bit faster versus doing a Brazilian or underarm or anything like that on the body. And yet again, here it is breaking. And I've also learned that when waxing anywhere, if the wax strip breaks, don't panic. Just, readjust if you can. And if not, just add another strip on top to get that excess wax off. You never want to panic. You never want to make it seem as though you don't know what you're doing, because it's going to freak out your client. And I've learned that over the few times that I have done this service before. And it's calmed me down a lot. And I've also learned about my wax and learned more about how to use my wax. So yes, all it really in your technique, all in what you use, how you use it. And after a few times of actually doing it, I've gotten more comfortable with doing the service, and now it's kind of one of my favorite ones, because I like to see the before and after. Like, it makes such a difference with any wax service, but I really love to see how the legs transform after this service or after getting a wax. But also, you want to make sure as a client, you of course are moisturizing, exfoliating, hydrating, all of those good things, because it makes a difference during your appointment. Okay, even if you're not waxing, even if you're shaving, even if you don't do either, you still want to make sure you don't have that buildup of dead skin on your body. And I did do a couple of cleanups, not too many, because her hair was coming off really well, and so it really wasn't necessary. This is her first time getting this service done, but afterwards I added my rejuvenating body oil to soothe, calm the skin, and just to give her that little light glow. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Candy Studios HTX, and I will see y'all in another video.